So we start our conversation with Ms. Zanninotti, and I would like to ask you about the energy transition is accelerating across Europe with renewable gases emerging as a key enabler of decarbonization. From your perspective, how can gas distribution networks and companies like enaon EDA contribute to a sustainable transition? Please, the floor is yours.
Thank you. Good evening to everybody. And first of all, thank you for the invitation and also for creating this valuable space for this dialogue. It's a very pleasure for me to join to today's discussion on renewable gases and energy transition that is a so strategic topic for Europe, but also a national priority for Greece. Let me start from the energy equation that you, as you said before. First of all, to deliver decarbonization, security of supply, and also affordability, it's definitely clear that energy transition cannot rely on a single path. And so multiple solutions have to work together. I mean electricity for renewable sources, renewable gases, supported by digital infrastructure that can combine molecules and electrons, and not as competitors, but as complementary resources that can serve the same transformation. The Global Gas Report of 2025 is underlining this balance. In 2024, gas demand increased compared to the previous year, and for 2025, it's expecting to increase even more, driven mainly by power generation. At the same time, renewables are rapidly increasing, but due to their intermittency, the system needs a reliable backup, and gas can be this solution, can be this backup, can play this stabilizing role when wind doesn't blow, sun doesn't shine, due to the maturity of the technology and the possibility to be flexible and so scalable. Our responsibility as a gas distributor operator is to make this gas progressively cleaner and to turn from today's network to a network ready for the future, and there will be a low carbon infrastructure. Our responsibility is to exploit the value of our asset. Enaon EDA is managing today more than 8,700 kilometers of network, serving 115 municipalities in Greece. Let me give you two examples on how also today we are playing this role. We are first serving several cogenerator units whose capacity exceed 29 megawatt, and by the end of the year, almost 30 megawatt will be added. Another example of our role that is important in the path for lowering the emission. Recently, we activated some new cities, and we are fully committed in investment that we are in our plan of investment. Patra, Florina, Argos, and Castoria with small-scale LNG project. In Patra, we are serving a couple of industries, just one that switched from heavy oil to gas. Annually is reducing CO2 emission of 3,700 tons. And this is, again, an environmental achievement that we have already reached. But looking to the future, we have to work for decarbonizing gas. And biomethane and hydrogen are concrete solutions that we should and must scale up. As you said, biomethane is almost ready. What I mean is the most one of the most promising renewable gases, supported by a more mature production technology and also the fully compatibility with the network, but also with the end user applications. Our network is absolutely ready for hosting biomethane. Greece, in this moment, is moving from a vision to implementation, has taken and adopted the complete framework from production, certification, and injection in the grid since last summer, and then also the regulator plus the ministry have also delivered the key secondary but important legislation. In this moment, under consultation, there is the connection contract that will allow the connection between a biogas producer that will convert to biomethane to our network. The process is clear and is also very time sensitive. What it's the last mile, the last effort that all of us should be focused on is the incentive scheme in order to allow to start with investment. Hydrogen is again another very promising low carbon gas. To be pragmatic, it will have for sure in the future a key role in decarbonizing sectors hard to abate. In this moment, to be pragmatic, we should focus, I think, on the blending hydrogen in our network. And what we did, we have already started last year with the project in order to assess all our more than 800,000 kilometers of network. And we arrived to a first result. The majority of our network, more than 90%, is already compatible with a blend of hydrogen up to 5%. We are working now in more, accurate studies on the remaining part in order to ensure the compatibility with the blend up to 20%. There is a significant project and a great investment for our company that is the replacement of the old network, the cast iron network in Athens that we are going to complete by the end of 2026. These are together with other projects that we are running the base for ensuring our network future-proof and also for supporting today the possibility for lowering also today emissions.